Thank you for coming to another listening comprehension assignment. For the assignment, it is listening comprehension. That means you will not see the text. You will only be able to answer the questions based on what you hear. So, listen to the text more than once. At the end of the video, of the story, I will go through all the questions for this week's assignment. I will not read those, as they are not read on the state test. Let's get started. Rob the Great. Jayla and Rob had gathered all their materials, and together they said, "Abracadabra." "We have the coolest act for the talent show," cried Jayla. Rob liked how much Jayla was looking forward to the talent show. He had a surprise for her. A table decorated with a banner announcing Jayla and Rob, the great magicians. That's not all. Rob smiled. He showed Jayla 2 magician costumes, complete with top hats and magic wands. "I think the scarf trick should belong to you. You're better at it than I am," suggested Rob. The duo practiced their act, memorizing their amazing tricks. A week before the talent show, Jayla called Rob on the phone. "Guess what?" she began. "I broke my leg, and I'm not allowed to walk around," she explained. "That's terrible," replied Rob. "But wait, you can still perform the magic act, can't you?" Later that day, Jayla's brother gave her a ride to Rob's house. "Jayla, we will just have to forget about the talent show," Rob said gloomily as Jayla rested on the couch. "What we need is to make the act more exciting," Jayla said. She had brought some music with her, and as Rob performed the different tricks, she helped him with his movements. "Turn around in a circle with the scarves, and now stretch them out. Perfect," she called out. At the end of the practice, Rob took a bow, and Jayla cheered and clapped wildly. Clearly, Rob wasn't alone. It took 2 talented people to create a winning magic show. And now here's the questions. As a reminder, you may go back and listen to the story again to make sure you have all the correct answers. We actually encourage you to do so. Good luck.